Hey, what's up guys? Today I'm gonna show you how to download a video from Facebook. It's very easy and simple. So let's get into it. First of all, you have to go to Google Chrome and sign up for your Facebook account and go for the video you want to download. For example, I want to download this video, 9-second video. Let me tell you that which video people can share, it can be downloaded, and which video you can't share, it's private, it's in private mode, you can't download it. So let's get straight into it. How to download this video: you have to first copy video URL, then go to your Facebook video downloader. It will take some time and it will upload like this. I'll give it in the description. It's now paste it right here, click the download button. So it's here in normal quality. I'll download it for you. So it's here. Now let me show you. It's in download. Let's play it. It's real not like in here. It's here, and now it's shown here like this. So it's very easy, you can download it. Hope you guys like it. Leave a comment below, share and subscribe. Thank you.